Hello YouTube. Today I am going to tell you how to log in or register into Teachmint. So that first go to the Play Store and search for Teachmint. The first app you see in the search, that is the app. Open it and down install it. I'll fast forward because it's too late. Okay, now when installed, open the app and select the language and tap on the continue button. When you select the language, after that wait for a while. It will ask for your phone number. Enter the phone number and enter the OTP that's sent to your mobile number, or wait for a while. It will take automatically and tap on the continue button. When you do this, I have logged in, so it won't ask my name and that I'm student or a teacher. When you enter your mobile number, it will ask your name and you are a student or a teacher. Enter your name and select the student button. After that, add your classroom ID. That is provided by your teacher. 1 minute, I am getting my classroom ID to enroll. Okay, I have got the classroom ID. Now I will type the classroom ID. My classroom ID is 7 8. Sorry, I want to look. When you enter your classroom ID, tap on the enroll button, enroll classroom. After that, the request will be sent to your teacher. When teacher accepts your request, the message would come that congratulations, your name. After that, this will be your interface. In this you can attend tests, assignments will be given, lectures, recorded lectures and everything else. And last thing I want to tell you that if the class is online, message would arrive and go to the classroom and tap the join live to join class.